Welcome to solving your problem if your pocket is saying excuse me to you for purchasing a mobile phone. Today we are diving into the latest release from Samsung, the Galaxy A03s. We will be explore its features, performance and much more, whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. So let's jump right in. The Galaxy A03s is powered by a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset coupled with up to 4 GB of RAM, offering decent performance for daily tasks. It handles casual browsing, social media, and light multitasking without major hiccups. However, for more demanding apps or gaming, you might encounter occasional lags or slower load times. Equipped with a triple camera setup, a 13 megapixel primary lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, the A03s captures decent photos in good light conditions. The main lens delivers satisfactory details but struggles a bit low light scenario. The macro lens is fun for close-up shots, but it lacks the sharpness of higher-end devices. The 5 megapixel front camera performs adequately for selfies and video calls. The device boasts an impressive 5000 mAh battery, providing excellent endurance for a full day of moderate usage. It supports 15W fast charging, which is welcome addition, although it might take a while to fully charge the device from empty. Samsung Galaxy A03s sports a plastic build common in its budget-friendly line. While it lacks the premium feel of glass or metal, it feels sturdy and ergonomic. The design is sleek with a simple yet elegant appearance. The A03s features a 6.5 inches HD plus TFT LCD display, while it offers decent color reproduction and brightness levels. It falls short compared to higher resolution AMOLED screens. The viewing experience is satisfactory for everyday usage, but it might not satisfy users looking for a vibrant colors and deeper contrasts. Running a Samsung One UI based on Android. The interface is user-friendly. It comes with several Samsung exclusive features and customization options. However, the device may face some software update limitations compared to flagship models. The phone comes in different storage variants, typically starting from 32 GB or 64 GB. It supports expandable storage via micro SD card, providing flexibility for users who need additional space for apps, photos, and media. Considering its budget-friendly price point, the Samsung Galaxy A03s offers a good value proposition. It provides essential features, decent performance, and Samsung reliability without breaking the bank. The device supports 4G connectivity and delivers stable network performance for calls, browsing, and streaming. It also features standard connectivity options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS, ensuring versatility in connecting with other devices and navigations. For casual gaming, the Galaxy A03s handles most titles smoothly. However, for more graphics-intensive games, you might experience occasional stutters or lower frame rates due to its mid-range processor and limited RAM. These insights into various aspects of Samsung Galaxy A03s should provide a comprehensive overview, helping potential buyers make informed decisions based on their priorities and needs. That's it for today's review. If you want to buy this, the link is in description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Stay connected and stay healthy.